You guys know I'm looking out for you, right? Welcome to the Drunk Linux User. I'm Len. I am the Drunk Linux User. I'm pre-recording this show today because tomorrow my wife and I are spending the whole day by ourselves. Just the two of us. It's going to be a wonderful day. If you like what you see on this video, find it important, please mash all the buttons on YouTube. And if you're a creative Linux user, watch this video up here. Now, let's get on to the important thing. And I just found this today, and it is important. Don't use Chrome's and Edge's enhanced spell checking features. Why? Well, first a little background. Chrome's enhanced spell checker and Microsoft Edge Microsoft Editor are designed to improve spell checking further, but they do so by transferring pretty much anything the user types into fields to company servers. Yeah, that's encouraging. Once enabled, Chrome uses the same spell checker that Google Search uses. Google notes that text that users type after enabling the feature is sent to Google. Similarly, when users enable Microsoft Editor in the Edge browser, they improve spell checking but have their data submitted to Microsoft as a consequence. Microsoft does not mention that typed data is sent to company servers when Microsoft Editor is enabled. Josh Summit is the person who is checking in on this, said the browsers were sending almost any typed data automatically after the enhanced spell checking features were enabled. This included users' names, email addresses, but also anything typed as comments or in forms. Be careful what you say. Passwords are not submitted by default, but when users use the show password option on the websites, they're submitted automatically. The passwords are then sent to third-party servers along with other information. It takes a single click to enable the enhanced functionality. Google does inform its users about the sending of typed data, whereas Microsoft does not in Edge. Summit notes that home users and organizations are affected alike. Chrome and Edge users may want to make sure that the enhanced features are not enabled in their browsers. It is unclear how the data is processed, how it is stored, or whether it is stored or not. A couple little blurbs here and further on down the page, how to disable the enhanced spell checker in Chrome and how to disable the Microsoft Editor in Microsoft Edge. This is kind of important, I would think. Now, I'm using Brave, and when I checked, that functionality didn't seem to be a part of Brave. So that must be something that the Brave team is stripping away from the browser itself, from the Brave browser, even though it is Chrome-based. So I'm glad to see that Brave is not following that particular trend, but also rather disturbed to know that these things can happen. So, learn how to spell, I guess, is the lesson for this for this episode. So, we're going to end on our words of wisdom. Don't drive drunk. Don't drink and drive. Don't go to Amazon, eBay, or use Microsoft Edge shopping all buzzed up, thinking you're going to buy the latest and greatest and coolest stuff because you're probably not. In the meantime, bottoms up. Later, dudes.